Could you imagine being able to create this type of videos without recording a single second? Now with Pedra, you can turn images into fantastic videos like these ones. And I'll show you now how to create them. So first you're gonna head to Pedra and we're gonna upload the images. These are the images that we already uploaded, all right? And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna select all the images, okay? One by one, and we're gonna click into video and then create a video. This will prompt up a menu and we're gonna click on the aspect ratio we want, in this case horizontal. We have the option to choose if we want to show a title or not. Okay, we're gonna toggle off because we don't want it for this particular video. We can also adjust the zoom type and then we can also add a subtitle to any of the frames. Okay, in this case, we're gonna add one to the last frame and we could also add some branding of our name and email. Then we're gonna click on generate video and in a couple of minutes, we'll have a video like this one based on our images. So here you go. You can create videos from your images automatically without wasting time on complicated tools and getting fantastic results like the ones that you're seeing right now. If you like it, you can check out Pedra and you can create videos like this one from your images.